How to use timers. Let's set a morning routine with the Push Pro remote. First, click the hamburger menu. Then go to Timers. Select Add Timer. Click Edit Name. And then with the use of arrow keys, type Morning. Use the hamburger button to toggle between upper and lowercase letters. Then press the square button to save. Go down to the Enabled section and toggle it to Yes. Now, edit the schedule to select Sunday through Friday. Press the back button to go back and select the Group and Shade section. Select Living. Now go back to edit your shade's behavior. Select Behavior 1. And set the behavior to fully open. Then go back to edit the time when the behavior 1 should be triggered. Select Edit Time 1. Now set the time to 7 a.m. Then press the square button to save. Now select Behavior 2. And set the behavior to fully close. Then go back to edit the time when the behavior 2 should be triggered. Select Edit Time 2. Now set the time to 8 p.m. Toggle between AM and PM using the hamburger button. Then press the square button to save. Now your shades will open at 7 a.m. and close at 8 p.m.